I'm an engineer, I'm a chemical engineer. I've never walked a mile in your shoes. I've never worked shift work. I've never been a Boilermaker.
I can't imagine how they gain this knowledge a lot of times. And then once you hear about the experiences and the training, it all makes sense.
And I completely respect the professionalism that you bring to the job. We could not do what we do without these quality craftsmen.
And it really pays dividends to have somebody that trained, like the Boilermakers, working on a facility like this.
They've asked us to put this much work into this much time, period. And that's what we do.
We're known as the gasoline machine. We have the largest FCC in the Western Hemisphere.
The current reactor was built in 1947, 1948, and it's time to upgrade it.
This reactor lift is essentially taking this FCC from its original kind of base technology to state-of-the-art.
This is the first time I know of that this area has replaced an entire reactor of this size. It is a big deal.
The reactor weighs about 850 tons, and we've secured a very large crane, one of the largest cranes in the world, to put this thing in for us.
It's been a complex process to get here. How the pieces were manufactured, how big they were made, how big they could be shipped, and then once they arrived, how they get assembled. The lift itself, it'll take about an hour, but you think we've got 5 years of planning and development behind that.
The crane, it's got 7 million pounds of counterweight on it to lift our 855-ton reactor.
It's thousands of feet of welding, tons of steel that we've had to rig and move and fit. A year and a half of these guys working for this. They should be very proud of what they've built.
It takes a lot of artistry in the craftsmen to put something together this big.
They're excellent craftsmen, and the things they do impress me every day. Between the rigging and the welding, they have to have a lot of experience to be able to pull a job like this off.
The amount of Boilermakers that are here, I could tell you they've come from California, Washington State, Florida, Texas, Connecticut, Boston, Pittsburgh. Day in and day out, we are in here working safely and giving Phillips 66 a quality product. We will send a message that will reverberate through the rest of the industry that the Boilermakers are the craft that you need when you need safe, quality performance.